Hello, this is Eric with ReLISTO. Today I'm proud to be showcasing 2105 48th Avenue here in Oakland. This is apartment number, there's A. No salesmen and solicitors, does not mean me, of course. You are welcome to keep that on the door if you wish when you move in. So you're greeted with a foyer area right here. So great place to have a coat hanger, put shoes. Looking to the right, these are wooden floors. Looking to the right, you see a nice large living room. Central heat. Again, big windows with window treatments. Lots of electrical outlets, which is critical nowadays. You don't want to move into an apartment without electrical outlets. Lots of cabinets, dishwasher, we have a range, microwave, big sink, and of course a nice oversized refrigerator. And then of course here you have, you can utilize this as a little dining room area or breakfast area or office area. The nice thing about this is it extends directly into the back patio. So if you look out here, you have a nice little green area. Here, it looks like someone put a pole and there's a wire. I presume that they were maybe hanging clothes, if you wish. I'm not sure if that's allowed. We'll have to find that out. So please ask the agent when you see the property. And there's a little utility shed here that, there's some supplies for gardening and stuff in here. So yeah, so really, really quaint, all fenced in. This is a shared apartment. This is an apartment, so it is shared, but you have direct access. Now here's an interesting room. So from the kitchen area, you can move into this room. This has multiple functions. You could use this as a dining room, or or you could use this as a bedroom. So this could then become a three bedroom, 2 bath. So nice ceiling fan, and of course this has doors. So let's walk through, and of course this is supported by a bathroom right here, full-size tub, shower, vanity, cabinetry space, a nice heater. If you like, having warm bathrooms, that's critical. Let's go look at some closets while we're here. Great for linens, and again, linen closets or different supplies. Let's go into this room, this would be technically the master bedroom. But it has it's master because it has a closet, and back up here, go through the door. It has a shower, toilet, and of course, so it has its own bathroom private to this room. All right, let's go visit those. And there's a front door area for placing your clothes or coats and such. Here we are, big closet, lots of hanging space in here. Again, nice big bedroom. All right, so lots of sun coming in. As you can see, I don't have any of the lights on right now. You can see how bright it is in here. So I'm going to just back up, and then just turn around so you get one last view of this really spacious open concept living room that then extends into the kitchen. And then also the outdoor space, which is just amazing. This property is available right now. See the link below for the link to all our listings and more information on this one. We look forward to seeing you. This was filmed in March of 2021. So we look forward to seeing you and go from there. All right, cheers, bye-bye.